Kapparos. I believe I was listening. Somebody asked Rabbi Reuven Shlita this question about Kapparos. Very interesting. Okay, so I'm going to tell you what he answered. If they're not going to say it here, okay. Many have a custom to perform Kapparos ritual before Yom Kippur. The objective is that one should visualize that when the chicken will be slaughtered, this will actually was actually supposed to be her fate. This should be inspired to do Teshuvah for her sins. Okay, so that's the custom. Not everybody doing. I'm not sure if Sephardim. I think most of the Sephardim don't do. I think, if I know correctly, so maybe some do. But it's Ashkenazi custom. Hasidim for sure, right? All and Ashkenazi for sure. Like of course there are exceptions. Not everybody wants to. Somebody discussed it and stuff like that. Somebody would come with a raincoat to do that. So that basically you take a chicken, and you have a choice. Where I live, like not all of the chickens are slaughtered. So some chickens you just they go around your head, right? And then you give the chicken back, and you pay less. Of course, I mean. But some people want the slaughter, but the problem is nobody is going to eat this chicken. That's like going to waste. So idea is that all of my sins, and there is a text in your Siddur, you can check Kapparos, that you intend all of these sins to go to the chicken. Okay. And it's proper to give the chicken to the poor people. That's what people usually do. Or today, if you do it with money, and some people do with fish, there's no problem. And there's three different options in a Siddur. So one is with the chicken, one is with the fish, and one is with the money. So when you do with the money, you just take like the value of the chicken. So how much is the chicken? Just approximately whatever your chicken in cost in the place where you live. And you do it with the money, and you give money to charity, or at least like if it's close to Yom Kippur, it's out of Yom Kippur, just set it aside. So it said I'm going to give it to poor people. Okay, so and it's one more time. So chicken, why chicken is better than money? Why? Right? Even though some people do not understand. So a person like people today, they never handle the chicken. So and it's poor animal, and it's supposed to die and not supposed to die. So we have to understand that we're supposed to be this chicken. So chicken did not do anything, right? The problem is with us. The problem is not with chicken. So this act should inspire us to do Teshuvah. A male uses a male chicken, and female uses female chicken. A pregnant woman takes both male and female chickens. So meaning for one, like they do one for her, and then two for the baby. I mean we don't know who the baby is, boy or girl, right? So male, female chicken. One with possibility for the fetus is male, and one is female. Will include both herself and the possibility of female fetus, right? So even though this fetus, like inside of her, is not born, like it's part of her body, but still, this soul was sent to this world because of the sins, because it did not complete its Teshuvah last coming to this world. You understand? That's why it was reincarnated. So it is in some sense it is sinful. So they do a Kapparos even for unborn baby. One may rely on ultrasound to reveal the gender of the fetus, and thereby take appropriate chicken. Okay, so in all the days there was no ultrasound, so we did like male and female chicken. But today, okay, since they do it anyway, of course a woman can ask not to be told, right? This lady that does ultrasound, she sees everything, of course. But the patient, the woman can say, I don't need to know. I don't want to know. So what I don't know, no. Okay, so continue. Some have a custom to do kapparos with money, right, instead of chicken. The money may not be taken from Aseres funds. So that's very interesting. This is great, Rabbi. It's from Ashrei Halach. Okay, 17:6. It's very interesting. So kapparos, it's a separate mitzvah. It's separate mitzvah. So Maaser is like our 10%, 15, 20%, whatever you give. It's a separate mitzvah. So from that amount, only under like special circumstances you can take money for other mitzvahs. If you cannot pay other any other way. But if you have funds, you have to pay for all other mitzvahs separately. You understand? So you cannot book. You cannot buy book with that money. Like if you set aside like 10%, let's say minimum 10%, you cannot buy books. You cannot buy for a man tefillin or other things. Absolutely not. It's not your money, unless there is certain circumstances. Like here, right? They say, okay, you want to do kapparos with money, no problem, do it, but what is it? Use different money. There's no minimum amount to be given. However, since the money will be given to tzedakah, it's proper to give generous donation. But since I would say since it is in replacement of the chicken, so at least do the value of the chicken, whatever is $20. I don't know, whatever chicken costs, maybe more. I don't know. Okay, but nobody, the poor people, not going. Nobody's going to deal with that. Like to clean the chicken, to plug the feathers, nobody's going to do. Okay, so if you do it with the chicken, so it's lost. So Rabbi Reuven Shlita, somebody asked him about this in Shulchan Aruch. I'm not sure if it says in Shulchan Aruch, but this kid quoted that it says minchak shtus, like craziness custom, like that's what idol worshippers did. Okay, that's what some people say. That some people, I heard these opinions before, but it was our holy old custom. So just because other people have their personal opinion about our custom, we don't change the custom. You understand? Okay. Any questions on what we said? Sure. Yes, go ahead. I'll try to.
On what you just said, given the tzedakah, you said the minimum would be the price of the chicken, right?
Yes. So per person. So if you have a family, right? So you would need to do it from each person. You want to the kapara, this what's the kapara? Like for you, your wife, for kids, for everybody. Yes.
And we're talking about like a whole chicken, right?
Yes, yeah, price of whole chicken. Mm-hmm.
Okay, and if you wanted to give more, of course, that's...
Yeah. If you want to give more, you can give more, but we're talking about minimum amount. So you would do with chicken. So I'm not sure. Last year they charge I think $36 if you're not going to kill the chicken. And we never kill the chicken. But if you want to kill the chicken, they do shkita. So it's not proper because this guy. So one more issue with this chicken. This guy, the shortcut. First of all, he's very tired. You have to understand. So he's been sitting there from the morning for I don't know, maybe 7 hours now. Like he's tired. And does he check? Yeah, he pretends to check. I mean, I don't know. He's holy man. He checks the night, but most likely he did not. Just so we know. Okay, because from so many shkitas, so it's properly. Okay, go ahead. Yes, I see the hand. Yeah.
Yes. What about the fish? Because they say you can also do fish,
yes.
correct?
Yes. Which fish?
You need one fish or?
So yes. You can do with fish like pass it around. Yeah. I mean fish. That doesn't have to be live. Chicken, yes, but fish doesn't have to be live. Yeah. But yeah, you're welcome. But I would say just to make it clean. But you see, when you come to this place, it stinks so much, and some people they smart, and I understand they come, especially women smarter, right? That they would come even it's hot, right? They would come in a raincoat, in a poncho. Otherwise, you do this chicken can go number two on you. You understand? It's all of your nice suit, Mr. Jew. You understand? So that's what we're trying to do. We put these ponchos or something. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Or do with money, but stay on the safe side. Okay.